In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Spacedesk Driver Console. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to go over the main steps for you to set up your Spacedesk Driver Console. The driver console will be used on the main display that you want to extend to other devices. So when you visit their website, you have the option to download the driver and the viewer. The driver will be available for Windows 10 or Windows 11, so you download it from the website and then you download the viewer on the devices where you will be extending or mirroring your display to. For example, if you have an Android tablet, you download it from the Play Store. If you are going to be mirroring or extending your display to a Mac or an iOS device, you download it from the App Store and so on. Now, when you open the driver console, this is what you are going to see. The most important thing is to make sure that it is enabled. So switch it to on. Now you can change some control settings, which are all personal, some delay settings and so on. But the most important thing by far is going to be available under communication interfaces. In here, you can change how you are going to be connecting your displays. The main way is going to be through a network connection, so a Wi-Fi connection. As long as your main PC or the main device where you are using the console and the device where you will be connecting it to are on the same Wi-Fi network, then it is going to be able to be done wirelessly. But if you prefer, you can use a USB cable. So click on either of these communication interfaces and enable or disable them as needed. Like I said before, local area network is going to rely on all devices being on the same Wi-Fi network, while USB cable allows you to simply do a physical connection with a cable on Android or iOS. Once you have them enabled as needed, download the viewer on your other device, and then as soon as you open it up, you will be able to connect to the primary machine running the driver console. In this example here, the Windows 10 or rather 11 PC. So you just click it on the list. If you are using a USB cable, make sure that you plug it in and then tap on the USB icon. You can change the orientation of the displays, you can go into the display settings and change between mirroring or extending, and you can even press Windows plus P to customize more settings about how the displays are acting. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.